Here I have Motorola Moto G Play 2023, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to storage of this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, then go to Fix and Manage section, and then Manage SIM. Okay, so here you can select which contacts you want to transfer. Could be them all, then just tap import, and after that these contacts will appear here on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.